What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of For Love of the Mouse. I'm Crystal, and today we are doing a little bit of my ear collection. So I actually counted my ears not too long ago, and I wouldn't tell Bryson how many ears were in my collection, but today I'm going to tell you all, and Bryson's going to find out because he's the one who edits the videos. So let's get started. First things first, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can support our channel. Also hit that like button if you like what we're doing and if you like my ear collection. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time we release a video on Mondays and Fridays. Alright guys, it is that day. I told you I would show you my ear collection, so today we're gonna do it. And I'm going to kind of run through all of the ears that I have, and then I'm going to highlight a couple that are pretty near and dear to me. A lot of them are customs and a lot of them are just super exciting and I absolutely love them. So I'm going to go through a couple of those with you individually, but I'm going to show you pretty much my entire collection and how I store it, because not too long ago it was pretty bad. I had them all thrown on this little table behind me that you're going to see in a minute, and it was just really sad. So I've come up with a better solution for some of them, and I just think it works out so much better. So I did tell you I would say how many ears I had. I counted them up last week. Now I will say I have 2 that are in transit right now, so we're not counting those as a part of this collection, but I own 67 pairs of ears. I just paused so that my husband, as he edits this video, could have a slight heart attack. Now, we have to be fair here. Some of these I've made myself. I've made, I think, 15 or so myself. So those are ears that I've made, but they still count as part of the collection because I still wear them and they still have to get stored up here. So 67 plus 2 that are in transit. Plus, I think I'm actually going to make some more tonight. So that's where we're at right now. Let's go ahead and I'll show you some of my collection and how I store them, and then we'll get down to the nitty-gritty with some details of a few of the pieces that I have in my collection that are near and dear to my heart. All right, so I have decided to store them on my magic bands. So we have 2 huge chains of magic bands. I'll show you up close. I just chain them together like so. And then I realized that my ears would fit in them. So we have 2 of these, and I'll show you both of them. And then I'll also show you where some of the other ones are, because some of them I like really big bows and they don't really fit as well inside the magic band, so they can't be stored that way. So those are the Christmas ears from the parks. Those are from, I think, 3 years ago, maybe 3 or 4 years ago. We have the traditional rose gold ears. These are the food and wine ears from 2018. These are some really cute gingerbread ears. I actually won these on an Instagram giveaway. These are flower and garden ears from Clearly Magic. My mom and I each got a pair. They're each a little bit different, but my mom and I each got a pair for Flower and Garden 2018. And then those are my Stitch ears. I think they're super cute. Those are my Rapunzel ears. They have a little Pascal on them. You can see her hair. Then I have these, which I think these are kind of Pandora. I made those, so I just liked the fabric. And then these are my Haunted Mansion ears. Those are Disney Parks ears. And then these are a pair of Beauty and the Beast ears that I actually won on an Instagram giveaway. So that's that row. And then we have our little castle photo. And then here's the second row. These are a pair of ears from Alyssa's Ears. You guys know, if you've been following along with our channel for really any period of time, that I absolutely love my Alyssa's ears. She does such a good job, and she does the big bow, and she does it really, really well, and they're just super comfortable. So those are Alyssa's ears with a puffy leather bow. I made those for Animal Kingdom. Those I got off of Etsy. Those are just my bubblegum pink ears. Those are from Clearly Magic. Those are a custom order I did with her. Those are the first ears I purchased, I think, and those have the rose in them from Beauty and the Beast. And then I have another pair of sparkle ears, the Potion Purple ears. I made these and I absolutely love them. I think the colors are awesome. I wear a ton of bright colors, so they really work for me. And then those are some cruise ears I got, and Millennial Pink. And then like I said, I have several ears that can't really fit, or we currently don't have enough magic bands, imagine that, for them to go up there, so they go down here. I also have 3 pairs of ears that we're not going to showcase today because I haven't worn them yet. A couple of them are for a future trip that we have in the fall. And then another pair of ears that I got for a special event that we're doing. So I'm not going to show you guys those, but I'll show you what we've got over here. Those are from Tangled in Ears. Those are Disney World Park Map ears. They're super cute. The Eeyore, the Snack, the Starbucks, those are all from Alyssa's ears, and I love them. And then these are my custom food and wine ears I got for last year. So there's actually, these turn on. So there's a, you can see there's like a battery pack, so there's little lights in there. And when you turn them on, a little Remy shadow shows behind the chef hat, so it's super cute. Those are a custom pair I ordered through somebody. I can't actually remember who I got them from, so if you made those ears or if you know who did, comment down below so that I can remember, because I don't think it was an Etsy shop. I can't seem to find my order. So I made those for Festival of the Arts. And then these are from Kiss the Ears. She does super cute stuff, and she made these for Flower and Garden 2018. And then those I love too. Those are from Magically Designed by Elle on Etsy. And then those are also Alyssa's. And then down here, we've got a couple pairs that we're not going to show you guys really because they're for upcoming stuff. And then a lot of these are ones that I've made myself. And then my Slinky Dog ears, I won those on an Instagram giveaway. And then these are all ears I made myself, and then the holiday ears I've made myself. So got a ton of ears there as well. But let's sit down and we can talk about all of the ears I have that I wanted to showcase and specially highlight for you today. All right, guys, first things first, let's talk about the ones I'm wearing. But of course, I'm also going to have my lovely husband model them for you because why not? Who doesn't want to see Bryson in ears? Everybody wants that. So these are from Neverland Mermaid Designs, and these are awesome. These I got to wear with an outfit that I wore in February when we went for the Princess Half Marathon, and I wore them with my celebration outfit that I made. We'll pop a picture of that in so you can see that. And I absolutely love them. They're custom. She actually had this design up, kind of took it to the next level for me and added a couple extra details, so absolutely love these. Next, I have 3 ears that are from Creations with Love. I have my Bullseye Toy Story ears. I got these for the opening of Toy Story Land, and I've worn them on every trip since, and her ears have such amazing quality. I've worn these ears probably 6 or 7 times. They get thrown in the suitcase to and from Disney, and they just hold up so well. They're such amazing quality. I absolutely love them, and you can wear them again and again and again. Next up, we have the Dumbo ears that are from Creations with Love. Love these so much. The detail is just absolutely amazing. And this, all of the ears and the hat and all of that is foam. So then she attaches it. And like I said, the quality is just amazing. And then I don't know if you can see this, but see that right there? That is an elephant. Can you see it? Yeah. That is an elephant printed in the fabric of the Dumbo ears. Like the details are just amazing. So then these I got for Christmas. These are my Donald and Mickey Christmas ears. I got these for our 2018 Christmas trip and love them. They're so cute. We wore them and met Donald in his little Christmas outfit, and he absolutely loved them. So these are really adorable as well. She has some really great designs. She has a ton of different characters and different really fun designs, and like I said, the quality is just absolutely amazing. So these are from Magic Castle Ears, and you can find her on Instagram at magiccastle_ears, and these are my ears that are represented after the caramel apples. You have the Mickey apple, and then here you have the Minnie apple, and everything is sequined. Everything is just, I love these. They're so cute. And then they have the little sticks on top to represent the caramel apple ears. So these are super cute as well. Those are from Magic Castle Ears. You know I couldn't do an ear haul without talking about Alyssa's Ears, who is my go-to ear maker. She does so many amazing things. Every time I'm like, hey, could you do this? She's like, yeah, no problem. So she just does really great stuff. Absolutely check her out. She is on Instagram and Etsy at Alyssa Elyssa, Elyssas Ears, and she does amazing stuff, and you know she is the queen of the big bow. Other people do big bows too. I'm sure you do an amazing job, but she does all of my big bows. So if you ever see me with a big bow, know that it's from her. So these are some of the first ones I ever got from her. This is the castle, and then the Mickey and Walt the partner statue on Puffy polka dot ears, and this is when she let me know she could do the puffy ear, and there's no going back. We're just in it to win it now. We just go all out with the big puffy ears. So then I have these that she did. This is a custom she did for me. This is a double-sided ear. So there's Mickey and Donald on the front with the blue bow, and then on the back you can see Pluto and Goofy with the purple bow. And I will say these are really heavy, of course, but that's what you get when you get a puffy bow, 2 puffy bows on one ear on your head. So those are heavy, but they're really great. They're just amazing. They hold up so well. So absolutely love those. And it's like having 2 ears as one. This is a custom Christmas design she did for me. We started talking about these a really long time ago, and then she made it happen for our most recent Christmas trip in 2018. So these are modeled after the decor that is in the windows at Hollywood Studios. They're like little dancing minis, and they're all sequenced and bright, and they're so cute. And I just showed them to her and I said, can you do something like this? And she said, yeah, absolutely. So she put these together for me, and I absolutely love them. We're going to talk about 2 more, and then we will probably have to do another one of these in a couple months, because like I said, I've got a ton coming down the pipeline. So these are my Precious Art Creations ears. These are amazing. She does such great work. And I think now I think she has these on her website that light up now, like the actual ones in the parks. But these are modeled after the fall Halloween pumpkin displays that they put up along Main Street every year. And as soon as I was looking for these exact ears, I was like, somebody has to make these. And I came across hers, and I just love them to death. She does amazing work. She makes the most incredible 3D ears. They're like the 3D cutout ears. I don't know how she does it, but she does the most amazing work with that I've ever seen, ever. She does such an amazing job. And then last but not least, Clearly Magic does amazing work with the plastic. She did these for me. These are a custom pair she did for me that a couple of years ago that have the fireworks bow and then the Mickey, or the red and the blue Mickey balloons, just like you see on Main Street, USA. Absolutely love these. She came up with these and did such an amazing job. I told her what I wanted, and this is what she came up with, and it's exactly what I was envisioning. I love her. Be sure to check her out. As you saw on the wall, we have several other pairs from her, and I also have another custom pair that are coming for an upcoming trip of ours. So that is a look at my ear collection, 67 strong and counting. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like ears and you like what we're doing over here. Also, leave us a comment down below who your favorite ear makers are so that I can check them out, or if you're an ear maker, let us know in the comments so that I can check you out as well. We'd love to support small business. We love to support all the ear makers out there, and also hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.